Hello everyone, in this simple video I'm going to show you how you can share your spreadsheet to others users. Alright, you can open the spreadsheet that you want to share and you can find the share icon in the top right corner right here. Just click on it. So make sure select the anyone with the link, not restricted, and add the people that you want to share, for example, and then click send. Right, and you can copy a link and you can paste on other apps to share. Alright, you can also change for the rule or the anyone for the viewers, commenter, editor. Just click that. So that's how you can share the Google spreadsheet to others. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.